Ghetto superstar, that is what you are. Coming from afar, reaching for the stars. Fly away with me to another place.
So I realized that I should definitely consider meal prepping, because if food isn't already made, I'm not about to take a long amount of time to cook something for myself, which sounds kind of bad, but like it's the truth. Like if it's not something like real quick that I can pop in an air fryer, microwave, whatever, then I'm probably not going to eat. And that's also probably one of the reasons why I only eat twice a day these days. One around 12 o'clock and another time towards the end of the day. So I'm in Target, and the reason why I'm in here is because I want some vitamins, especially vitamins that help me go to sleep. So I heard this brand is good, but it can be pricey. But I want to try it. So that's melatonin. Wait, how many grams? 3 grams of melatonin. I need something like that. Boom, knock me out. So I'm thinking about getting this. A lot of people that I follow says it's pretty good. So, and also collagen. There's a couple other things that I want to get, but they don't have it. So I guess I'm gonna just order it online. Got some pizza or pizza crust, cause I'm thinking about making some pizza. Oh, I've been looking for this. Do I really want it? So I got this Big Papa. I got this. I mean, I used this before and I liked it way better than any other product that I use on my head to curl my hair. So I was going to get this one, but I see that they have blue one in the ingredients. That's not good. So I think I'm going to get these two. They're coming out with new spring and summer stuff. Like a whole lot. I think this is cute. Say $15 sets, mix and match. Cute Target find. I think this is a dress. And I think it's for the girls that like to go out. Or it would be cute with like some jeans. It's time for me to go. I'm hungry and I am adding a lot of stuff to my cart. Look at me still adding. I need to go. You ever feel like you might miss something? So I just gotta double back, just in case I missed something. But I got everything on my list, plus more. Okay. I'm about to drink some kombucha. And I got this granola bar thing. And that's gonna be my appetizer for my brunch that I'm about to have at home. I am officially back home. And I'm sorry, y'all. I forgot to record when I went to the material store. I'm gonna still show y'all what I got. So it's slightly busy this month for me for like going to events and things. I'm going to this birthday dinner the 10th of this month. Happy March. And I have this outfit idea in mind. I usually see it on those like Fashion Nova sites, but I was like, why don't I just make it? This is the fabric I got for it. So if y'all ever seen the it's like a long cardigan with fur on the wrist parts, and it's usually worn with like a mini skirt. That's what I'm making with this fabric. And I got the fur. They didn't have the fur I wanted, but I'm settling with this. I'm gonna insert a picture of what I'm talking about, like what set I'm talking about, but it's gonna be like a cardigan, a long cardigan with fur on the ends and a mini skirt, and I'm gonna wear it with either my black or my white thigh boots. I'm kind of sick of the white ones. I think I'm gonna sell them, honestly, and I think I'm gonna go with the black ones, but whatever works well. I don't know what shirt I'm wearing with it. I should have got a shirt from Target. Worry about that when the time is right. But it's stretchy, and I'm excited. I'm excited to wear it. Also got a gold button for the order I'm making that y'all seen in the other video with the blue blazer set. She wanted gold buttons and wanted to wear gold accessories with it, so got a button for it. And my goal today is to finish that outfit because it needs to be done. That's due March 11th. And I need to figure out an outfit to wear for that event too. From Target, Dr.bronners. I love Dr.bronners soap, honestly, and peppermint is one of my favorites. And I know a lot of people be like not liking the peppermint one because of its cooling effect, but that's what I like most about it, and I don't have no complaints. And I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I'm trying to look at the camera. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I use this on my face. It's a natural organic soap, no harsh chemicals, and I'm telling you, do you see this? I didn't have Dr.bronners soap when this happened. If I did, this wouldn't have happened. So when I'm in the shower, I wash my face with this. I know you're not supposed to wash your face in the shower because it can dry your skin out, but that's what works for me. Okay? But yeah, so whenever I have a bump, or when I feel like a bump is coming in, put that on my face. It's not an everyday thing, okay? This is only for emergencies, for face wash. So for bumps, or when a bump is trying to bump its way in, wash my face. Bump is gone the next day. I promise. For me it works like that. I don't know about y'all. I said I promise, but like, I mean, try it out. And I got ashwagandha, not the brand I want, which is a goalie brand. They have this one, but pretty sure it's the same thing. But I just need help going to sleep. And this helps with relaxing and I don't know. Because I'll be up until like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Even when I don't like have my phone in my hand, like when I'm just chilling trying to go to sleep, like it's just a struggle these days. But I also got collagen for the skin. It also has biotin in it, which is one of the vitamins I wanted to get, but since this had a biotin in it, I was like, just get this. Biotin, collagen, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E. Yep. And it's lemon flavor. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but we gonna see. And I also got this. Now, this says it has folic acid in it. And I'm honestly not sure what the benefits are for folic acid, but I did hear that it's a difference between folic and folate. Usually pregnant women take folate for, healthy production of their baby. And I don't remember if I heard that folic acid was bad or not. I don't think it's bad. But it has vitamins A, C, D, E, and B's. Let me see what B's you got. B6, B12. Yeah. And I seen a couple people use this, and they said it smelled bad. Let's smell it. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. It do. Wait. It smells like if a nail salon and a bar had a baby. No, like it smells like the inside of a nail salon and like alcohol. I'm over exaggerating. It's not like boom in your face. It's just like giving a couple whiffs. It smells like that. How many say it take? How many? I'm taking all these right now. Except for the ashwagandha. I'm trying to take more vitamins. Being that I don't eat meat, it's way more important for me to take vitamins in, and I don't. So I'm trying to get into the habit of that. And I wrote on my list that I should get, hold on. Oh, so I wrote on my list that I have, that I should get B6. But I forgot I had some in the house already. So, and I also want to take sea moss and bladderwrack pills. I used to get them from Alkaline Herb Shop. And I ran out, so I need to re-up on them. Iron. I have iron already, but I'm running low, and I need to re-up on those too. Yeah, just a couple other things. Oh, and I showed y'all this. Let me see if this the, oh yes. This the one. It smells like pineapples. Curly girls, try this out, see if you like it. I could use a nap, but I have things to do. Businesswoman things. Alright. So I guess I left my face mask in the Target cart. That's annoying. That sucks, but we move.
Like